Transforming the energy and utilities industry with smart analytics, powered by eInfochips, a partner of choice for Fortune 500 companies for product innovation and high-tech engineering consulting. The energy and utilities industry is undoubtedly emerging as a major vertical with a business need to unlock the power of big data.
At a time when utilities are spending billions of dollars on big data and analytics, the question is very relevant. Why utility players need BI analytics in the first place? According to our own research at eInfochips, key business drivers fueling the smart meter trend include demand response and generation programs, personalized customer care, complex customer data, regulatory norms.
Did you know major utility players are set to roll out millions of smart meters in order to generate business insights? Across the US, the EU, and the UK, smart meter rollouts are big at the moment. Even though, as per the industry's own admission, any serious effort in monetization is being offset by a lack of core IT capabilities, especially in big data technology. Problem areas include increasing deregulation, which forces utility players to transition from predictable revenue models to a customer-centric one. Also, transition is happening from a supply-side business model, which means power generation, to a data-driven, demand-based approach. Think over it. This is 2015. If you are a utility player, which scenario would suit you more? Exercising real-time controls over power generation, consumption, and costs, or blindly augmenting your capacity as you always do, surprising end users with bill shock?
Compared to any other point of time in history, utility providers have access to the largest data set of consumer behavior, over 1 billion data points daily. But the problem is, all this data is disaggregated. For instance, according to Utility Analytics Institute, each year rebates worth millions of dollars are not communicated in time to the customers because most utilities struggle to keep track of information emerging at the customer end. The solution requires the input of big data analytics using predictive statistical models based on historical inputs. It's possible to create predictable load forecasting and innovative pricing plans.
Here is what a utility revenue model based on BI analytics looks like. For instance, if you can predict demand response, you can save up to 90% costs instead of blindly increasing capacity. Do you want to reduce customer churn? Provide loyalty-based programs for your customers without increasing tariffs.
At eInfochips, we have designed an innovative BI analytics framework for utilities to visualize their energy data. There are 3 stages in this: data collection, data analysis, and data visualization. Collection can be at power generation side, distribution side, and consumption end. For example, data collected from smart meters. At the analysis stage, the collected data has to be normalized based on predictive analytics to create demand-side patterns. At the visualization stage, tools like Tableau can help you improve interactivity, prioritize your response, and report alarms and failures.
These are some of the potential business areas for utilities using eInfochips BI and analytics framework: demand response services, coincidental peak demand programs, and predicting resource demand.
Here's an eInfochips case study featuring leading connected home solution vendor with 1 million installations. For this client, eInfochips was able to leverage Tableau to create operational dashboards for security event analysis based on country, state, city, and category. The next one is connectivity analysis. That's a geographical survey report for device failures. And the third one is energy usage analysis.
Here's how the client was able to visualize its energy data on connectivity dashboard as well as incident mapping.
To know more about our complete offerings in energy and utility space, especially in BI and analytics at eInfochips, do visit the link below. If you have any questions for us, drop us an email and one of our experts will be happy to get back to you.